In today's video, I will show you how to add height on Tinder. When it comes to completing your online dating profile, adding your height has actually become one of the most requested features by users who want transparency before meeting up in person. Interestingly, while the app previously teased height verification as a famous April Fool's joke, it is now an official biostat you can control to help the matching algorithm guide your recommendations more effectively. To add this stat to your card, open the Tinder app on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap Edit Profile at the bottom of your profile photo. Now, scroll down until you find the height section. Tap on height and choose your preferred measurement unit, whether you prefer centimeters or feet and inches. Next, enter your exact height. Once you have it set, simply tap Done to save the changes directly to your profile. If you ever change your mind or want to hide your stats later, you can remove or edit your height at any time by following these exact same steps and clicking Remove or selecting a different number. And that's it. That's how to add height on Tinder.